Hi guys, here is some food for thought. When you squeeze a lime, you get lime juice. When you squeeze an orange, you get orange juice. Have you ever wondered what you get if you squeeze a human being? You get all that which is inside you. All the love, compassion, or anger which is there inside. So, why don't we fill ourselves with the positivity, love, compassion, and gratitude? Because what's inside you is you outside. Isn't that something to think about? If it has actually made you think, then write it to me and hit the like button. Keep watching the space for more and share. And yes, subscribe. Thank you.